Hello students, please subscribe the channel, drop a like, share and comment. This is exercise number 18 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine, March 2023 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Government has approved the path-breaking crop insurance scheme, namely Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana. For effective implementation of this scheme, I have provided a sum of rupees 5,000 crore in the budget. We have to ensure that the benefit of minimum support price reaches farmers in all parts of the country. 3 specific initiatives will be taken up in this year too for this. First, the remaining states will be encouraged to take up decentralized procurement. Second, an online procurement system will be undertaken through the Food Corporation of India. This will usher in transparency and convenience to the farmers through prior registration and monitoring of actual procurement. Third, effective arrangements have been made for pulses procurement. Farmers also take up other allied activities to supplement their family income. To make dairying more remunerative to the farmers, 4 new projects will be taken up. First, the Pashudhan Sanjeevani, an animal wellness program and provision of animal health cards. Second, an advanced breeding technology. Third, creation of e-Pashudhan Hat, an e-market portal for connecting breeders and farmers. And fourth, a national breeding center for indigenous breeds. These projects will be implemented at a cost of rupees 850 crores over the next few years. After agriculture, I now turn to the other segments of the rural economy. A sum of rupees 3 lakh crore will be given as grant in aid to Gram Panchayats and municipalities as per the recommendations of the 14th Finance Commission. This is a quantum jump of 228% compared to the previous 5-year period. The funds now allocated translate to an average assistance of over rupees 80 lakh per Gram Panchayat and over rupees 21 crore per urban local body. These enhanced allocations are capable of transforming villages and small towns. Ministry of Panchayati Raj will work with the states and evolve guidelines to actualize this. There is an urgent need to focus on areas of drought and rural distress. Every block in these distress areas will be taken up as an intensive block under the Deen Dayal Antyodaya mission. Formation of self-help groups will be speeded up to promote multiple livelihoods. Cluster facilitation teams will be set up under Manrega to ensure water conservation and natural resource management. These districts would also be taken up on priority under Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. A sum of rupees 38,500 crore has been allocated for Manrega. 300 urban clusters will be developed under the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Urban Mission launched by the Honorable Prime Minister recently. These clusters will enhance growth centers in rural areas by providing infrastructure amenities and market access for the farmers. They will also expand employment opportunities for the youth. Swachh Bharat Mission is India's biggest drive to improve sanitation and cleanliness. especially in rural India. This subject was very close to the heart of the father of the nation. For the first time since independence, the Parliament held a comprehensive debate on sanitation. This has become a topic of discussion in almost every home. We have introduced ranking of urban areas in sanitation, which has resulted in constructive competition among towns and cities. Rupees 9,000 crore has been provided for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. In order to continue this momentum, priority allocation from centrally sponsored schemes will be made to reward villages that have become free from open defecation. We need to derive greater benefit from our demographic advantage. We need to spread digital literacy in rural India. Of the 16.8 crore rural households, as many as 12 crore households do not have computers and are unlikely to have digitally literate persons. We have already approved two schemes to promote digital literacy: National Digital Literacy Mission and Digital Saksharta Abhiyan. We now plan to launch a new digital literacy mission scheme for rural India to cover around 6 crore additional households within the next 3 years. Details of this scheme will be spelled out separately. Modernization of land records is critical for dispute free titles. The National Land Record Modernization Program has been revamped under the Digital India initiative and will be implemented as a central sector scheme with effect from 1st April 2017. The revamped program will build an integrated land information management system. Rupees 150 crore has been provided for this purpose. When asked what he intends doing for regeneration of India, Swami Vivekananda had said no amount of politics would be of any avail until the masses in India are well educated, well fed, and well cared for. I now proceed to present the key elements of my proposals in the social sector. In our country, cooking gas cylinders were considered an upper middle class luxury. Gradually, it spread to the middle class. But the poor do not have access to cooking gas. Women of India have faced the curse of smoke during the process of cooking. According to experts, having an open fire in the kitchen is like burning 400 cigarettes an hour. We have to remedy it.